Mataas yun. Mataas na yan. Wala ko. Kung nasan yung bolahan, nandun center na natin video.
Alright, good. Number 17, Morales setting the plate. Pass to number 99, back to Morales. To Panopio, 14 seconds on a shot clock. Back to Panopio, final and our backseat rebound, Morales pass to Ana for play. That was 17 pass to Brazeras, 18 seconds on a shot clock. Pass to Ana, 14 seconds to shoot. Setting the play. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Pass by again. Now let's go back to the number 8 seconds to shoot. Adu. 12 seconds on the shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot. Adu. Adu. 5, 2, 1, 3 minutes and 15 seconds left up. 18 seconds on the shot clock. 15 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Three minutes and 25 seconds from Walker for play. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Magalala, inside pass to 0-0. No hit. And Kimo Ballano, you want to run good to bring it to and foul pass back to the right. And basket count. Foul committed by jersey number 32, Magalala. On the ball, right, on the ball. First personal foul, jersey number 32, Magalala. Second team foul, Pulampato. Completes the three-point play. Exactly 3 minutes to midnight, 18-14, 4-point lead. Barangay Magalanoy. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Magalala, pass to the back to Magalala. Marco Puig again. And Magalanoy, on the rack, inside pass to the right. 2 points. And now 0-0-2, Adu, pass to number. Goes to the baseline, leaves and they go back to Adu in the foul. to 1-point lead. Pulang Loto. And Kuya, pass to Makalala. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to Odu. 15 seconds to shoot. Kuya, pass to Makalala. Solid by Makalala. Right back inside. Bucket count. Bucket count and foul committed by jersey number 01 Kuya. First personal foul, jersey number 01 Kuya. First team foul, Pulang Loto. Change favor, 1-point lead, Barangay Mabalaoy. And more body shot from jersey number 17 Morales. Complex the 3-point play. And Mabalala against Morales. 5 jersey number Kuya driving inside pass number 15 seconds on the shot line. Foul pass to Odu. 12 seconds to shoot. Odu by Mabalala. Good look for play. 5 up the line. And we go by Umali. And back to number 99, Eagle, lays up, look at it, baseball pass number 32, Makalala, the easy basket. Third deadlock of this game. Fifteen seconds on a shot clock. Aiden to Salas, back to Aiden, point for point, and kill for 3 points. 8 and 50 seconds. 18 seconds on the shot clock, Kuya. Kuya to Odu, 14 seconds on the shot clock, back to Kuya. Kuya to Mabalala, back pass, out of bounds, turnover. On the ball, substitution.
Paglalay ka press kayo ng score, yahabol mo sa bola. May iwan tayo sa record.
8 minutes and 32 seconds. Morales goes to the baseline. Lights up, no good. And we'll see the second round. A pass, lays up, 2 points, find it out. Eight and 15 seconds. Eight up with the ball now. Pass to Morales, 15 seconds on the shot. Now back to the end. And beautiful pass by Morales. Exactly 8 minutes remaining time. De La Pena setting the play. Pass to Magalala. Magalala to Odu. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 12 seconds to shoot. Odu. And foul committed by number 00 Salas. First personal count, number 00 Salas. Magalala. And number 32 Magalala to Nogan. And Ada get the rebound. Pass to Umari. Umari to Morales. A pass to Hunt to one. Second minute and 10 seconds time. And Magalala setting the play. Pass to Odu. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Odu. 12 seconds on the shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot. De La Pena. De La Pena can drop again. Odu. Offensively can drop 2 points. And baseball pass to Ada. Fire and foul scored by jersey number 07. Multiple rep substitution. Second personal foul, jersey number 07 get out. Second team foul, Barangay Pulang Loto. And first point, jersey number 99, Ada Pulang Loto. Second point, basket. Multiple rep substitution. Makalala setting the play, pass to Odu, back to Makalala, 8 seconds on the shot clock, for play, and Makalala for play. 6 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time, second period. 36-32, 4-point lead. Barangay Mabalalay. Morales Sumali. Up the gas is good. Examples with the time. And number 2, second round. Pass out of bounds. Turnover. 6 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. Auto fire. No yet. And Nada gets the rebound. Nada driving. Finds Robusta. Mid-range jumper. In and out. And offensive rebound. Robusta to number. And fouls go by jersey number 0-0 Herald.
Magaganyan mo na yung scale dapat. Medyo abot niya.
On the ball, right, on the ball.
Yung buhit, ito dito sa gilid. Dito sa gilid.
First personal foul gives the number 0-0 Herald. 30 pounds to Lambaga. And first line gives the number 17 Morales. No game. Second point, gives the number 17 Morales from the 15-foot lane. It's no problem. Exactly 5 minutes remaining time. And solid by Robosa. Baseball pass to Morales. And foul, save ball. And Robosa, 5 for 20. No good. And offensive rebound on Mali. To further gap, no good. Umali can rock back. 99 to 5. More than 30 seconds remaining time. Auto driving. And foul committed by jersey number 11, Robosa. Second personal foul. Timeout, Barangay Tulambato. First personal foul, jersey number 11, Robosa, second team foul. And stolen by number 17, Morales. And Timo Balari, pass number 24, setting the play, pass to Umali. Umali, elbow jumper, no get. 12 seconds to shoot, number 99. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds on the shot clock. And St. Paul leg violation. And timeout, Barangay Mabalalay. 2 minutes, 18 seconds on the shot clock, Mabalalay. Mabalalay to Auto, plans to shoot. Auto, it's the trigger for play. Auto, 420. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. 8 of 21 left, setting the play. 15 to shoot, and twice to answer, no good. And Magalala passes Auto. Auto setting the play. Back to Magalala, 15 seconds on the shot clock. 14 to shoot, Magalala to Auto, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Auto gives the play. For 3, 130 seconds remaining time. And Ada goes to the baseline. Was it count? Was it count? Foul committed by jersey number 02.
Import talaga laro ka na rin.
Auto, 1 minute and 12 seconds. And Ada. Hold the ball, right? Second edition. Hold the ball. minute and 5 seconds away time. 18 seconds on shot clock na Malanan. 2 out. 14 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Auto. Fire from Tay. Again. And dribble by Ada. And he was fouled by jersey number 30 seconds. And foul scored by number 0. And number 0 here on second personal foul. Penalty, Pulambano. Second line, 0-0 Salas, 1 people line. Okay. Foul jersey number 14, Umali. And number 14, Umali, third personal foul. Warning to penalty, Mabalana. 28.8 seconds. 25 seconds. 18 seconds on a shot clock. Kuya to Aro. 14 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds. 10 seconds on a shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot. Aro. Driving inside to 8 seconds. 5 seconds. End of the second period. Official score 49-48. 1-point lead, Barangay Mabalanoy.
Ang nag-isang Congressman, Colel Bonilla!
Maraming salamat po. Short message lang. Gusto ko po lamang pasalamatan yung 8 semi-finalist na team, yung 8 coaches po ng 8 semi-finalist, yung 8 coaches, hindi ko na kayo mag-isa sa kanilang operasyon. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Palakpakan po natin ang 8 coaches, team manager. Yung 8 SK chairman po ng 8 semi-finalist na team, palakpakan natin sila, yung 8. And of course, yung 8 barangay captain ng 8 semi-finalist na teams, palakpakan po natin sila sa kanilang kooperasyon. In behalf of Congresswoman Yanda Bonilla, in behalf of Mayor Bibong Salud, in behalf of my sponsor Anthony Marasigan, ABC Liwin, and SK Baet, ako po ay taos-puso pasasalamat sa 8 teams na yon dahil hiningi ko po yung kooperasyon nila, yung coaches, team managers, barangay officials ng 8 team para sa ikatatagumpay ng palarong ito. Hiningi ko po ang kanilang kaliwat kanang kamay para suportahan ang magandang finish o magiging success ng palarong ito. So, sa mga taga-Sanuan, you deserve to watch a kind of ball game na hahangaan ninyo at ikararangan ninyo. So, ito po ay para sa inyo, Sanuaneño, kasama si Consiel Lueng at si Menjun Magadya. Kami po ay, kaya nandito sa bench, sinisigurado namin ang magandang resulta ng palarong ito. At salamat po sa kooperasyon ng 8 nasabing team. To all of you, you deserve to watch this kind of ball game na magandang-maganda para sa inyong mga mata. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. Magandang gabi po at sana magtulungan tayo sa ikatatagumpay ng palarong ito. Good evening.
Ayan, maraming salamat po sa napakagandang mensahe ng ating susunod na congressman ng ika-4 na distrito. Palakpakan naman po natin, Congressman Kaloy Brunilla!
Okay, passes subs back to the ball game, third period. The official score 49-48, 1-point lead. Barangay Mabantlanay. And ball possession of Barangay Mabantlanay. And pass to number 99, Cato, backward play, no get. And back to Cato, 12 seconds on the shot clock. Cato driving against Otto. Speed pass to Placeros. Speed break jumper, no get. And offensive rebound, Morales, setting the play. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Morales driving, third drop, 2 points. And foul committed by jersey number 8, Nuance. Number 8, Nuance, third personal foul, first team foul of Alana. 17 seconds on a shot like Kuya. 15 seconds to shoot, Adu. 12 seconds on a shot back. 8 seconds to shoot, Kuya. Backward play, and Kuya. Forward play. 18 seconds to shoot. Cato passes to Morales, 14 seconds on the shot clock. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Morales to the dropping foul pass and stolen by Odu. And the ball foul, jersey number 8, Nuance. Number 8, Nuance, fourth personal foul. Warning for foul out, jersey number 8. Second team foul, Barangay Mabantlanay. 8 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. 18 seconds to shoot. Otto, fine, Makalala, good luck for three, fine, up the mark. And rebound by Kenneth, pass to Braceros. Braceros back to Kenneth, 18 seconds on the shot clock. And shot by number 08, De La Pina, all the way to the big line, moves up to point. Change paper, 2-point lead, Barangay Pulambato. And number 17, Morales, on the way to the baseline, pass, Cato to the block nugget. And foul committed by jersey number 17, Morales. Second personal foul, number 17, third team foul of Alana. Hold the ball back. Substitution. $18 seconds on a shot now. Coming for playing now. Rebound by Morales. That was ball foul by jersey number 26, Kuya. First personal foul, jersey number 26, Kuya. First team foul, Pulambato. 18 to shoot. And stolen by Otto. Baseball pass to Makalala. Lays up and easy basket. Seven minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. Number 17 Morales. Driving is followed by Hunan. And the right shirt with the ball now. Otto driving. Goes to the baseline. Third hit. Basket count. Basket count. Foul committed by number 17. 117 Braceros, sorry. 117 Braceros. First personal foul, 117 Braceros, wrongly. The three-point play. 17-15, 7-9, 7-point lead. Barangay Pulang-Bato. And K-Dog setting the play. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Foul to shoot K-Dog. 10 seconds on the shot clock, Umari. Another turnover. And the right shirt, Mandela. Makalala goes to the baseline. Lays up. Goodbye. 6 minutes and 48 seconds. And Umari setting the play. 15 seconds to shoot. Really tough to play over. Goes to the pass from Kuya. Lays up. Goodbye. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. 18 seconds on the shot clock. 14 to shoot, Umari. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Umari inside pass to K-Dog. Third drop to 5. 60 minutes and 5 seconds. Aldo driving. 5. Nogan. And 2 and number 17 Morales with ball now. Morales setting the play. That is by Gizzer. And started by number 07 Lila. Okay, thanks to the ball game, third period. Muli, Barangay Mapalanoy, isa na po ang ating timeout hanggang fourth period, kulang ba ito tatlo pa. And K-Dog with the ball now. K-Dog, fire for play! And K-Dog, for play! And our 30 Zoo, Makalalang setting the play. Makalalang Zoo, Olu, 15 seconds on the shot back, Olu. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Makalala driving inside pass number. And solid by Team Makalala number 99. Second personal foul, number 00 Salas. Penalty.
Kasi totoo po kay boss.
Right back to the ball game. 5 minutes and 1 second remaining time. Official score 66-58. Penalty. Foul jersey number 00, Salas. Number 00, Salas, second personal foul, penalty, Barangay Mabandanay. And first line, always good. Second point, 0-0, Aldo from the 15-foot line. 5 minutes remaining time, third period. 68-58, 10-point lead, Barangay Pulamanga. And Kano, fire for play! And Kano, for play!
Step down.
18 seconds on the shot clock, Aldo. Aldo against Salas with 14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot, Aldo. Driving, 8 seconds to shoot, Aldo drive, plays up 2 points. 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. And a Volcano Mali driving, goes to the baseline, and third drop and foul committed by jersey number 26, Kuya. Number 26, Kuya, second personal foul. Seconds on the shot clock. Aldo, backward play! Off the mark. And 3 point by Morales, exactly 4 minutes. Morales attacks by Kano, backward play! No good. Kahit makalalas din mo ngayon, hanas by Morales, 18 seconds on the shot clock. Bang, Aldo, drive, lays up, basket, Kano. Foul jersey number 99, Kayla. First personal foul, penalty, Mabandanay. Three minutes and 38 seconds remaining time. And number 17, Morales. Setting the play, Mike Kayla, fire for play. No good. And big rebound by jersey number 32, Magalala. Hanas by jersey number 11, Robosa. Back over still by jersey number 14, Umani. Pass to Kano, 18 seconds on the shot clock. Kano, drive, pass to jersey number. And kill for 3 points. And side out, Barangay Pulamanga. 7-point lead, Barangay Pulamanga. Three minutes and 5 seconds. And now moving the ball now. Aldo setting the play. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 12 seconds to shoot. Aldo. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. Aldo from there. And foul is called by jersey number 002, Aldo, black and foul. Second personal foul, jersey number 002, Aldo, 13 foul, Pulamanga. 22 seconds on the shot clock. And number 17, Morales, having the play, 18 seconds on the shot clock. Morales against Magalala, speed, big drop, lead check. And offensive rebound, Morales, 8 seconds to shoot to Mali. 5 seconds on the shot clock, Robosa for 3. And follows up by number 30, Panopio, 2 points. 2 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. Aldo setting the play, 18 to shoot. 14 seconds on the shot clock, Aldo. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. 77-67, 10-point lead. Pulawato. And Morales starting to play. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Kano. Pass the number. Base 5. And foul is called by jersey number 07. Multiple web subdivision. Number 07. Fourth personal foul. 50 seconds to make time. 45 seconds. 15 to shoot. Aldo. 40 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 35 seconds. 5 seconds on the shot line. Aldo rotates again. And so by number 07 around. Back to Aldo. 5. Teardrop. Again. Number offensive rebound, 10 seconds on the shot clock, 20 seconds remaining time. Aldo, 15 seconds. 12 seconds. 8 seconds, Umali. 5 seconds remaining time. Umali, 2 points. Warning for delaying the game, jersey number 30, Panopio. Game passes sounds back to the ball game, the fourth and final period. 81-70, 11-point lead, Pulawato. And number Aldo setting the play. Technical bench of Barangay Mabalanoy.
Banda escape, parehas.
15 seconds on the shot clock, Aldo. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. Aldo, 5 for play. Negative. Inside pass to Dumo L. To drop 2 points. And 25 seconds away time. 18 seconds on the shot clock. 15 seconds to shoot. Makalala. 12 to shoot. Aldo from the parking lot again. 9 and 10 seconds. And 14, Umali, drive, blaze off, Umali, 2 points. Exactly 9 minutes remaining time. 18 to shoot, Aldo. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Aldo to Kuya. Kuya against Panopio. Pass to jersey number 8 seconds on the shot clock. Inside pass to Aldo. Nugget. Miran for sale. Nugget. And Barangay Mabalanoy. Contra number 14 Umali. Bounce pass to Umali. Controlled by jersey number Kuya. Kuya to Magalala. Driving. Teardrop. After the dash is done. 8 and 20 seconds remaining time. 18 seconds to shoot, Morales. 14 to shoot, Kano. 10 seconds on the shot now, Kano driving and foul scope by jersey number 08, De La Pina. First personal foul, jersey number 8, first team foul, Barangay Pulawato. Pagkaran setting the play, pass to Aldo, 15 to shoot, Aldo. 12 seconds on the shot clock. seconds to shoot. And foul jersey number 30, Panopio. And number 30. And number 17, Morales, with the ball now. Morales. Setting the play. Pass to Kano. 14 to shoot. 5 for play. And kick for 3 points. 7:20 seconds remaining time. 7.8 to Lambo. 18 seconds on the shot now. Aldo setting the play. 14 to shoot. Aldo. 10 seconds on the shot now. Aldo. 5 for play. Off the mark. And the ball back Morales to Umani. And Umani with the ball now. Umani driving, speed, and solid by Kuya. Right turn on the line, inside pass to Miguel. Lays up the ball. Seconds to shoot. And Ada attacking Sonu. 5 for play. Off the mark. Panopio inside. 2 points by Panopio. Six minutes and 17 seconds. Seconds on a shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds on a shot clock. Aldo, para play again. And offensive rebound Miran. 5 pangalanan. 10 to shoot. Back to Miran. Inside pass to number. And foul number 7. 17 to 7. On the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Aldo for play. No game. 5 and 30 seconds remaining time. And Kano play the ball now. Kano driving all the way. By Aldo. 10 to shoot Morales. Morales for 3. No game. Kano to 5. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. And same ball. To shoot. Aldo for play. 4 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Made up, 5 for play, and foul scope by jersey number 002. Third personal foul, jersey number 002. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. 15 to shoot. Kano, drive, lays up, no ball. Two and 45 seconds. 15 to shoot. And timeout, Barangay Mabalanon.
Hindi ko lang ipa-plug ko, mapupuyot eh.
Ating Mabalanon, wala 15 seconds on the shot clock. Cooler. And solid by. Baseball pass to Baal. Back to Kera. Plays up. And last. Foul jersey number 01, Korea. Fifteen seconds on the shot clock. And a foul, turnover. Barangay Pulang Bato, may isa pa tayong timeout. Mabalanoy, wala na. And number 17, Morales, pass to Mari. Mid-range jumper is good. One minute and 20 seconds remaining time. 15 to shoot. Makalala. Makalala. Pass by Morales. Back to Miral. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul. Give us the number. 17 Morales. Number 17 Morales. 50 seconds. Foul, jersey number 14, Numali. Fourth personal foul, jersey number 14, Numali. One wins the penalty. Mabalanoy, 36 seconds remaining time.
Mas oras na. Hindi pumaw.
18 to shoot. Foul, jersey number 08. 3 shots. Second personal foul, jersey number 08. Penalty. 3 shots from jersey number 17, Morales. Penalty, Barangay Mabalanoy. Second personal foul, just number 99, penalty, Mabalanoy. Keyed up for play. Foul number 50, Panopio.
Shout out sa ating mga kaligaw. Sa Liga Batang Kenya. So, abangan nyo yung mga pag-live namin. Tapos may release namin mga edits namin. So, abangan nyo lang po din sa Facebook ng Jackie J. Miranda. Tapos mag-release din ako sa aking panibagong Facebook page ng Jackie Boy Livestream. So, mag-like tayo sa ating live. Papalit tayo ng title ng mga teams.